Okay guys, we're on the Independence of the Sea. We're on inside cabin 8707 sailing solo. So we're gonna put our key in the car and here's the room. Okay, there we go. It's an inside room. It's not too bad, okay? It is an adjoining room and that room is gonna get opened up, but you have a small couch. You have the full bed. I got a mirror over there. I brought my daylight. We'll see how that sunrise clock works. A nice new TV, a mirror, dresser. We do have that semi-fridge in here. Let's open it. There you go. Okay, and then not too bad amount of outlets. I've already unpacked, put my hoister, and we have a decent sized closet, not too bad. And then of course the bathroom. Okay, so it's showing its age, but not too bad. And this is our first, there we go, solo sailing. Nice door, so it's a good sized shower, but not too bad, huh? So that's it. Looking at, and a really big full-size mirror here. That's what you're saying is the reflection. Okay, so there you go. Independence of the Seas, Freedom class ship, inside deck 8, 707. In the back of the ship, port side. So thank you again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye now.